हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू द चैनल उपेंद्र जी की क्लासेस। तो आज मैं आपको 31 मई 2025 के टॉप 20 इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर क्वेश्चंस कराने वाली हूँ जो आपके एग्जामिनेशन के लिए बहुत ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होने वाला है। तो वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। तो चलिए लेक्चर शुरू करते हैं। Question 1. Which club won the 2025 UEFA Union of European Football Associations Women's Champions League title? Correct answer option B. Arsenal. Question 2. India's first campus of NFSU National Forensic Sciences University in Maharashtra has come up at which city? Correct answer option C. Nagpur. Question 3. Which company became India's first pet food unicorn in May 2025? Correct answer option B. Jules. Question 4. Who was appointed brand ambassador of Oakley India in its Artifacts from the Future campaign? Correct answer option B. Shubham Gill. Question 5. How many projects initiatives were chosen for the 22nd NAEG 2025 National Awards for E-Governance across 6 categories? Correct answer option C. 19. Question 6. Mahendra Gurjar won gold and set a world record in which event at the World Para Athletics Grand Prix in Notteville, Switzerland? Correct answer option C. Men's javelin F42. Question 7. Which Bollywood actress is the new brand ambassador for Eureka Forbes? Correct answer option B. Shraddha Kapoor. Question 8. The Asian Weightlifting Championships 2026 will be hosted in which Indian city? Correct answer option C. Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Question 9. Sukhdev Singh Dhindsa, who passed away in May 2025, was best known as a former dash. Correct answer option B. Union Minister and senior SED leader. Question 10. Which district became the first in India to meet its entire power demand through solar energy? Correct answer option B. Diu. Question 11. To mark Sikkim at the rate 50, the Prime Minister released a commemorative coin of what denomination? Correct answer option C. Rupees 50. Question 12. Who represented India at the 2025 Shangri-La Dialogue Asia Security Summit in Singapore? Correct answer option C. CDS General Anil Chauhan. Question 13. Electric Hansa, E-Hansa, India's next generation two-seater electric trainer aircraft is being developed by which organization? Correct answer option B. CSIRNAL. Question 14. What new world record distance did Mahendra Gurjar register in the men's F42 javelin throw at Notteville? Correct answer option D. 61.17 meter. Question 15. AI Matryoshka, Google's multi-layered AI strategy revealed in May 2025 was announced at which event? Correct answer option C. Google I/O 2025. Question 16. The Tianwen-2 mission aimed at returning samples from asteroid Kamo-Oleva was launched by which country? Correct answer option C, China. Question 17. Athirani Melastoma Malabhatrikam was recently designated the official district flower of which Kerala district? Correct answer option B, Kozhikode. Question 18. Which pair of Indian Army peacekeepers were posthumously awarded the Dag Hammarskjöld Medal on UN Peacekeepers Day 2025? Correct answer option B. Brigadier Amitabh Jha and Havaldar Sanjay Singh. Question 19. The Finance Ministry has approved what EPF Employees Provident Fund interest rate for the financial year 2024 to 25. Correct answer option C, 8.25%. Question 20. Gujarat Karmyogi Swasthya Suraksha Yojana offers 10 rupees 10 lakh cashless health cover annually to which group? Correct answer option B, state government officers, employees and pensioners.